Well, it's test time, and we're going to be using our Chromebooks to take tests for students on. Two of the tests that we'll be using the Chromebooks for are the SBAC test, and some students will be taking the MAP test. But both of these tests use apps that are on Chromebooks. I'm going to show you how to access those apps so that students can take their tests. What you're looking at here is just a simple Chromebook. That Chromebook has somebody logged into it. I can tell because there's a picture on the desktop, and if you look over in the right-hand corner, you'll even see a little picture representing the person that's logged in. Sometimes students change their pictures. It might be a face. It might just be a generic picture. If you're in a state of a Chromebook where it's logged in, you will not be able to use that Chromebook for tests. The first thing we need to do is log that person out. You just simply click on that right picture and then choose Sign Out. And then that brings you to the login page for that Chromebook, which is exactly where you want to start. If you're a teacher that's going to be administering a test using Chromebooks, it's a good thing to go to all of your Chromebooks in your class, or have your students do this one, log out and verify that their apps are installed. And here's where you'll find the apps. On the bottom left corner of the Chromebook screen, you'll see a little thing that says Apps. Click on that, and you should see the apps for the tests that you're taking. Now, not everybody will be having the same type of tests. It depends on which school you're in and which classes you're teaching. If your class is going to be doing the MAP test, what you should be looking for is the MAP Chromebook testing app. If your class is taking the SBAC test, what you're looking for is the Air Secure test. Make sure that they're choosing the right app for the test that they're taking. Now, in some of the apps, these are locked down apps, so they prevent students from doing anything else while they're in the apps. And as a matter of fact, the MAP Chromebook testing app is extremely locked down. This is what it looks like. And that little X in the top right-hand corner, that does nothing. The only way to get out of this app is you have to hold that power button down to power your Chromebook off. Once the Chromebook powers off, then when that power button is pressed again and it powers on, you'll be back to that sign-in screen. So, before that test begins, make sure that you check every single one of your Chromebooks that the appropriate app is loaded on that Chromebook. If it's not there, you can call extension 12345 and just report what classroom that you're in and if there's any Chromebooks that need that app pushed to it, or you can send an email to helpdesk@mhusd.org.